Very cool 1969 Berry's Mini T Dune Buggy. These were built out in California, Southern California, back in 1969 to 1971 or 2, I believe. Very cool cars, different portrayal of the regular Dune Buggy. You know, built to look like a little Model T Ford. Supposedly George Barris helped design this little thing, and if you look in the Dune Buggy Handbook, which this car is actually featured in, Barris had the Barris T, which looked very similar. Very cool little car. This car has been totally restored. You know, body off, built on a Volkswagen chassis, but really quality job done. You know, beautiful paint, nice body work. The interior is all finished off in black tweed with the yellow piping. It's got a little stereo system in it. All the gauges are new. This thing won first place at the VW Jamboree 3 years in a row. Kind of tells you the quality of it. Got little speakers down there for the stereo. But a really nice car. A lot of brand new wheels and tires. The engine, I believe, is a 1300cc VW motor, a 71 motor. I decoded it, but all, you know, chromed out, chrome muffler, runs excellent. Suspension's all new. Any flaws and pains, a couple little rock chips that we've touched up, but you can't hardly see them. But you can see the quality of it. It'll be a lot of fun by a beach or a little small town, little cruiser. There's a neat little piece of Dune Buggy history. It is featured in, like I say, the Dune Buggy Handbook, which is kind of the Bible of Dune Buggies. There's a show winner. Couldn't take it for a little spin. Sounds good. All the lights work. Got the wipers work. Got the directionals, emergency brake, stereo.